Africa is a continent in flow because it faces enormous challenges, but also has enormous opportunities. It has a growing workforce. So by creating jobs, by creating manufacturing opportunities, they're supporting the growth of Africa.
And that requires innovation if we want to capture the opportunity quickly.
Manufacturing Africa is an FCDO funded programme, so that's funded by the UK government, with the aim of creating sustainable, inclusive jobs in Africa. And it does that by increasing FDI flows, so foreign direct investment, into those countries, into the manufacturing sector.
The population of Africa is projected to reach about 2.5 billion people by 2050. And what's even more important to know is that the working population will reach about 790 million people by 2050. This is by an order of magnitude more than any other continent.
And manufacturing has always been an important part of any economic transformation journey in any economy.
Manufacturing Africa was very core in setting up our plan to not only scale up but grow sustainably. So Mr. Green Africa is the first B Corp certified company in Africa that is in the waste management space. So we put social impact and environmental impact at the core of our business, and our main purpose is to turn waste into value.
Plastic waste has got huge demand. We sell to different companies like Blowplus. During these hard times, there is lack of job. It do employ people.
We have employed over 400 employees across Kenya. On top of the employees and the indirect employees we have, we've also touched, I think, over 5,000 lives, and that is through our engagement with waste pickers and a lot of our suppliers. And the expansion has not only been locally, it has also been now across East Africa, with the whole idea that we hope that in the next 2 years we'll be touching over 10,000 lives.
We've been really intentional about helping businesses also think through ESG issues and challenges, both from an environmental and sustainability point of view, but also looking at gender inclusion and gender disparities. You know, it's the right thing to do, but what we see is that it's also the smart thing to do for some of these businesses.
We've had 26 FDI deals close with a total value of about $850 million. In turn, that will create about 14,000 jobs.
So we've supported over 120 companies. That's quite an impressive impact in my view.
I'm proud when I hear companies say that, because of the data we have provided, they've been able to make a sound business decisions that has led to growth, additional jobs created on the continent. So that is something that really warms my heart.
And we hope the entire program over time will create more than 100,000 jobs and attract over $1.5 billion of investment. The population, the resources are all here actually for the future. So Africa's success is crucial to the planet's success. And I think the quicker we realize that and figure out how to solve it, the better.